Onboarding experiences vary widely across digital products. Each user journey is unique, and guiding users effectively is essential for engagement and retention. That's why PagePilot offers personalized onboarding tooltips, interactive, step-by-step prompts that appear directly within your app. These in-app tooltips adapt to user behavior, helping guide them through features and workflows with ease. From your dashboard, you can create onboarding tooltips in just a few clicks. After a simple one-time integration, you'll be able to set triggers based on user actions, choose tooltip placement, add personalized, contextual content, no coding required, instantly preview your tooltips to see exactly how they'll appear to your users. Whether you're introducing new features, reducing support queries, or improving digital product onboarding, PagePilot's in-app tooltips provide personalized, contextual guidance, keeping every user confidently on track, designed to grow with your product and your business. Try it today.
To contact us, please visit our website, email us, or call us.